Guys, it's a sad day. I wrecked the BRZ. I was driving and I rear-ended somebody. I rear-ended someone and the BRZ got messed up. So luckily it didn't get totaled. It's just the reinforcement bar that got messed up, and then basically the whole cooling system, the radiator, AC, condenser, the fans got messed up, my air intake, this bar right here, the headlight. This is the radiator support, but it's the one that holds that on. What else? My headlights, obviously. The hood got very messed up. And yeah, I mean, I was still able to drive it home. I was 30 minutes away when it happened. I was still able to drive it home. Since I was in the highway, it stayed cool, but you could see like all the AC and coolant and everything drained out. So looks like I got a lot of work cut out ahead of me. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything off that's broken, and then I'm gonna have the car towed to my job. Since it's inside and I got a lift and all the tools I need, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all that I'm putting into the car, I guess, and how to fix it. So originally I had this GT86 front bumper. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the Subaru one on there. Vented hood, might put wide fender flares, spec D's in the front, getting another cold air intake, and yeah, it's time to start hooking this car up. This accident honestly just made me want to, now since I have to replace everything, I might as well just buy aftermarket shit for my car and fix it. So yeah. Alright guys, so I wrecked the BRZ and the whole front end. You guys just saw the clip of how it looked, and I'm just waiting on all the parts to get here. They should be here in a few days, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick them up and mount everything. I bought everything 2018 parts, so it's gonna be a 2018 front conversion basically. I'm just waiting on the parts to get in. So as you can see, this is all straight. This reinforcement bar, this radiator support, this reinforcement bar, the whole cooling system is good. There's AC in the car already. Me and my friend actually went ahead and welded this on a few days ago while I'm waiting for the parts to get here, so at least I can drive the car. So I've just been driving the car like this for now. Good thing the airbags didn't deploy when I got in the accident. The airbags didn't deploy or anything. Everything's still intact, and I had a passenger with me. I'm surprised the dash one didn't deploy. This fender got damaged. It got pushed back, and when I opened the door, it got dented in. It actually wasn't me that opened the door. It was the police. When they opened the door, it dented that in. I probably could have saved it, but yeah. And so when it got hit, the threads of the bolts that hold the hood to the hood hinges, the threads broke off, so the bolts can't go inside of this hood. So I have to drive around with all this duct tape on the hood to hold it down for now. It's kind of embarrassing, but I don't mind it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and skip to the part. I'm just gonna go ahead and skip to where I bought everything already for the car, and I'm gonna go ahead and mount everything in the car and show you guys how I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole setup of the car and everything. Alright guys, so this is what the BRZ looks like with everything on it. Not too shabby. I got everything to line up perfectly. All around the lights, all of this. Now I gotta get it wrapped or painted.